Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks, and y'all might be getting tired of this one, but I just did a video about Control R, so we're gonna hold down the control button and skew this thing to 45 degrees. Then I can take Control R and repeat that. But the problem with that, Control R is a 2 keystroke key, and you're having to move your mouse and everything. Well, why don't we shorten this to a 1 keystroke stroke? So let's go to Tools, Options, Customization, and go to Commands. We don't know where it is up here. It's not really in any of your menu, but we're gonna go repeat. I don't have to type out the whole word. There it is. When we click on it, it shows the shortcut is Control R. Well, let's add another one. One key that I'm not using is the letter O. Hit assign, say okay. Now let's take this one and Control, well, you get confused. I'm going to move it like that. Now I'm going to take this one. I'm just going to hit the letter O. O, O, O. Well, I must have moved one a little bit. Let's do the same. Let's make another rectangle, just make sure it's working correctly. So we're going to take that one, hold down the control button while we skew it. And then hit the letter O. I hit it twice. Oh, that's wild because you could it just keeps going and going. So you only want to hit the letter O, just like, let's try it again with the Control R, see if it'll repeat the next step again. Let's make some more rectangles here. Come on, rectangle tool. So let's try this. Let's skew it. Control R, well, see, there we go again. I'm ahead of myself. Double click, hold down the control button and hit it. Now let's Control R, and I'm gonna do it again. It's gonna constrain it more. So that's what I'm doing. So when we do that, you only wanna hit the letter one time. So let's make a few more rectangles. I never thought I'd be using so many. So I'm going to double click on it, move the rotation. Now I'm just going to hit the letter O one time. And it skews it. Made it a 1 key hotkey. And you can, this gentleman that needed help needed to do like 1,000 of them. Different sizes, different shapes, different line thicknesses, but he needed them all skewed. So this will be tremendous help for him and maybe you in the future. And one, it just shows you how to make a hotkey. So Control R will always be there unless you take it away. But if you keep, just like the letter P to put things in the center of the page, once you've used it so much, that O will always be there. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.